As some of our track and field veterans look to close out their seasons, pursue other business ventures, and pass on the baton, it's time for Jamaica to look to the future of track and field. And one such is Tia Clayton, the rising Jamaican sprint star. Now, Tia Clayton, born on August 17, 2004, has rapidly emerged as one of Jamaica's most promising young sprinters. Known for her exceptional speed and impressive performances, Tia has made a name for herself on the global athletic stage alongside her equally talented twin sister, Tina Clayton. Now, Tia spoke about not pushing herself for her first Olympic and making the most of it. And many Jamaicans are believing that she will medal. Today, we will see what will happen in the semifinals and the finals, and we will definitely keep you informed. Now, Tia Clayton's journey to sprinting stardom began at Edwin Allen High School, where her talent quickly became evident. Alongside Tia was a crucial part of the Jamaica 4x100 meter relay team that shattered the world under 20 records at both the 2021, so the time was 42.94 seconds, and the 2022 World Under 20 Championships in 42.59 seconds. These achievements not only highlighted her speed but also showcased her ability to perform under pressure on the world stage. In 2024, Tia Clayton solidified her position as a top-tier sprinter by finishing second in the 100 meter at the Jamaica Athletics Championships. She clocked an impressive 10.90 seconds, tailing behind Sherika Jackson, who got 10.84, and ahead of the legendary Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, who got 10.94 seconds. This performance earned her a spot on the Jamaican team for the 2024 Summer Olympics. Also, during the national trials, she got her personal best of 10.86. Now, Tia's journey to the Olympics were marked by personal bests and consistent improvement. She set a new personal best of 10.8 seconds in winning her semi-final at the Jamaican Championships, beating her previous best of 11.02 seconds, set just the day before in the heats. Now, in Paris Olympics 2024, Tia is making her mark. She continued to impress, because this is the first time she is performing on such a global stage, as this is her first Olympics. And she's used to the champs track. She mentioned that it's not the same, and she's definitely improving all around. Now she's competing with a strapped up right hamstring. She got off to a false start in her heat, finishing second in 11 seconds. So remember that she got 11 seconds flat in her heat there to get second place, and that the Canadian sprinter Ledor run the heat with a national record time of 10.95 seconds. Now, based on what I'm seeing here and reports, despite the minor injury, Tia's performance was strong enough to secure her a place in the semifinals. Now, as you know, Jamaica's track and field contingent at the Olympics including some of the most renowned sprinters in the world, and Tia Clayton held her own among them. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, competing in her fifth and final Olympic Games, clocked an impressive 10.92 seconds in her heat, while Sasha Lee Forbes ran 11.19 seconds in her respective heats. So together, the trio had advanced to the semifinals, demonstrating Jamaica's continued dominance in women's sprinting. Many are saying that Tia is stepping out of her sister's shadow. For much of her early career, Tia was often known as the other Clayton sister, with Tina frequently dominating the headlines. However, in 2024, Tia stepped out of her sister's shadow and began making a name for herself. Her performances have shown that she is not just a talented sprinter, but also a resilient and determined athlete capable of competing at the highest level. Tia Clayton's talent has been evident since her days at Edwin Allen High School, where she initially made headlines by winning the Class 3 100-meter gold medal at Boys and Girls Championships in 2018 and defending her title in 2019. These early successes laid the foundation for her future achievements. Now the road ahead sees Tia Clayton continue her journey in athletics. She has the potential to become one of Jamaica's next great sprinters. Her performances at the national and international levels have demonstrated her ability to compete with the best, and her resilience in the face of challenges speaks to her dedication and passion for the sport. With all that said, let's send some great energy to Tia and let her know that Jamaica will support her all the way as she grew from strength to strength. And the future is here. Jamaicans will look forward to more dominance in the world of sprinting because it's our national thing. And our athletes just keep showing up. They are inspiring future generations to follow their lead and even raise the bar higher and higher. Now today we'll see the semifinals for the women's 100 meter at 12:50 p.m. Jamaican time, with the final taking place at 2:20 p.m. As Tia Clayton competes on the world stage, she carries with her the hopes and dreams of a nation that have produced some of the best sprinters in history. With her talent, determination, and the support of her team and country, Tia Clayton is poised to make her mark and continue the legacy of Jamaican sprinting excellence. So that's it. We just wanted to do a short piece on Tia Clayton. As you know, she's one of the three who advanced to the semifinals. And not to be underestimated, you see, some of these athletes, they're not as loud and they don't have that showmanship, but they are just as talented. And Oblique is the next one. We only need for putting the eyes upon Akeem Blake as well. So that's it for now, guys. We hope you enjoyed this. If you did, thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe as we send create more content just for you.